Hi friends, Namaste. I hope you are familiar with the name Shamajivi or Shamajivi Agri Films. We are on the internet or the YouTube from last some 10 years or 8 years from 2012, and we have uploaded some 800 plus documentaries or film clips, everything on agriculture in Kannada, English and Hindi languages. And we have some 3.5 lakh or 350,000 subscribers, and some in total some 8 to 10 crores views in total from all. We have three channels: Shamajivi Agri Films, AG and AG Corp. We get around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh views per day. And in fact, we were also surprised to see this response when we started our YouTube channel. Even we thought that YouTube is the platform for some lighter content, some jokes or some film songs and all. We were also doubtful whether the people will we will get the viewers for the serious content like agriculture. But we were also very happy because of the unprecedented response by the viewers. Now we have fixed viewers from almost 150 countries, and of course 50 and above percent of the viewership is from naturally from India, and we are happy with that. This kind of response made us to get into more serious content production, and unfortunately there are hardly few serious content makers in agriculture, because it needs a typical on both sides. We should know the agriculture science and the agriculture in specific, and we should have field touch, and we have to spend a lot, we have to run around for making content. It cannot happen in the studio. So, and naturally it costs, we have to spend a lot, and again the language barrier and so many issues. So there are hardly few content makers, serious documentary makers or the content makers in agriculture. But anyway, we are very much successful because of your cooperation and your encouragement. So now we are getting into still bigger domain in the same line. So we are planning to come out or launch a satellite TV channel dedicated to agriculture very soon. Of course, it will be to begin with in Kannada, our native language, our local language, one of the South Indian languages or the major languages. But of course, from day one we are planning to give the same content on the internet or on our channel in English for the global consumption. And as a precursor or to begin with, before that satellite TV channel happens, we are launching this internet channel. So this is the first episode of the internet channel, Shamajivi again, and that's why we thought it is better to give some background or why we are into this domain, and who we are, and what we are planning to do, and how it is going to help and all. If you know our background, we hope it will connect better or easily to you. Basically, I am an agriculture graduate, and before to that I am a farmer by birth. We are into deep Western Ghat region with plantation crops like arecanut and spices like cocoa, cardamom, pepper, and of course paddy. And our farms are surrounded by deep evergreen forests of Western Ghat. So naturally we are the farmers, and then I joined agriculture science, agriculture college, university for agriculture graduation, and I came back to my farm, started my own farm. I continued my ancestral farm, and in that process, no, I was very much interested in media as a hobby writer. So I wrote many articles in the regional language, and later on I got into one program called Annadata by ETV Kannada, and I was a reporter for the channel, the program. And later on I joined as the head of the same program, Annadata, at Ramoji Film City, Hyderabad. And there I learned all this technique. To be frank, Annadata is the best framework or the model for any agriculture visual media program. So we learned a lot, and what should be the content of the program, how it should be presented, farmer wants what, and what should not be there on the program, so many other issues. So it has given a very good shape. And I have to mention one more thing. There is one monthly agriculture magazine in our regional language Kannada by name Adike Patrike. So even though its circulation is limited to a particular region, the model they follow, and basically that magazine is made by farmers for farmers. It is very specific, and even all editorial staff, the editor himself is a practical farmer. He works on his farm. So actually we learnt a lot of things from that magazine also, and writing skill, and how to write the script, to how to connect with our viewers or the readers. That makes a lot of difference. So anyway, I moved from ETV to Bangalore Kasturi Television. There also I had one television program by name Krishi Kasturi. And later on, a very typical situation we faced. Whenever we telecast a good program on television, farmers used to call us for the copy of that particular program. Because normally what happens, those programs were in the early morning, and the power cut and so many other issues. So many of these interested farmers were not able to watch that particular episode. They used to ask us for the copy. And in television channel, normally we never give the copy, because in that work pressure and all, it is not permitted to give out any content in either in the DVD or any soft copy. So we were helpless. Then I thought, okay, it's a opportunity, and also it's a good service to our farming community. So I established a separate dedicated visual media production house for agriculture, that is Shamaji Agri Films. And of course it was started way back in 2004, but it was expanded and systematically started working by 2010. Then we produced hundreds of documentaries on various aspects of agriculture, and in Kannada, our native language, and then English and Hindi, India's national language. So we sold those contents into the hard copy DVD, and you may be surprised to know this. We sold thousands of copies across India, almost from 2009-10 to 2016 in large numbers. Apart from India, we used to sell these DVDs in Bangladesh and also Sri Lanka. Our Shamajivi is very popular in those two countries as well. So encouraged by this, we thought, okay, we shall get into a television channel dedicated to agriculture. So now we are planning and preparing ourselves for a complete full-scale satellite TV channel for agriculture, of course to begin with in Kannada. And as a precursor, we are launching this online TV channel Shamajivi. I hope the same kind of encouragement we get for this effort also. There was a question in my mind. There are so many print media, I mean newspapers, and there are so many TV channels. Why not for agriculture? And there is no good representation for agriculture, even though almost 60% of Indian population depends on agriculture or allied activities for their livelihood. Why not agriculture on media? Later on I came to know when I entered a media house that it's a tricky subject. Making agriculture program that too on a continuous basis without repetition and is not that easy. So the media professionals we have are very good in other skills but not agriculture, even though they are basically from most of them are from agriculture background. So I thought, okay, we have to, it is like self-service. I being a farmer and working in close touch with farmers and a good media professional, why shouldn't I do myself? Platform created by a farmer for farmers. So I hope Shramajীবী, this online channel as well as forthcoming this one satellite TV channel will get the same response, encouragement and blessings. I expect the same cooperation and the feedback, especially the feedback from the grassroots level makes us, it helps us a lot to make changes in the programs and to rectify the mistakes that we make. And also if we get some very good hints about the content, because naturally we have our own limitation. If you suggest us the programs or the farmers to be covered or the content or the subject to be covered, definitely we are happy to attend such things. So we expect very good feedback. You can mail us team@shramajীবী.com and you can visit our websites. We wish you all the best. Namaskar.